Piaget theory of cognitive development. The stage number 2, the pre-operational stage. The pre-operational stage begins around age 2 and lasts until approximately age 7, that is in between 2 to 7 years. During this period, children, they are thinking at a symbolic level, but they are not yet using cognitive operations. The child's thinking during this stage is pre-operations, that is, before using logic or transforming or combining or separating ideas. The child's development consists of building experiences about the world through adaptation and working towards the concrete stage when they can use logical thoughts. During the end of this stage, children can mentally represent events and objects, and they can engage in symbolic play. The key features of the pre-operational stage include: the first one is centration. Centration, it is a tendency to focus on only one aspect of a situation at one time. That means you are centering only one aspect, one thing of a situation. When a child can focus on more than one aspect of a situation at the same time, they have the ability to decenter. So, during this stage, children have difficulties thinking about more than one aspect of any situation at the same time, and they have trouble decentering in social situations, just as they do in non-social contexts. The second feature is egocentrism. Children's thought and communications are typically egocentric at this stage. Egocentrism here, it refers to the child's inability to see a situation from another person's point of view. According to Piaget, the egocentric child assumes that other people see, hear, feel exactly the same as the child does. The third point is play. At the beginning of this stage, you often find children engaging in parallel play. That is to say, they often play in the same room as other children, but they play next to others rather than with them. Each child is absorbed in its own private world, as their speech is egocentric. So the main function of speech at this stage is to externalize the child's thinking rather than to communicate with others. The child has not grasped the social function of either language or rules. Symbolic representation. As we know earlier, in the pre-operational period, that is the age between 2 to 3 years, which is marked by a dramatic increase in children's use of the symbolic function, which is the ability to make one thing, a word or an object, which stand for something other than itself, as it is shown in the picture. So language is perhaps the most obvious form of symbolism that young children display. However, Piaget, he argues that language does not facilitate cognitive development, but merely it reflects what the child already knows and contributes little to new knowledge. He believed cognitive development, it promotes language development, but language development does not promote cognitive development. The fifth feature is pretend play, or we can call it as symbolic play. Now the toddlers, they often pretend to be people they are not. They think that they are superheroes. They may be Spider-Man, policeman, and may play these roles with props. The children may also invent an imaginary playmate. As the pre-operational stage develops, the egocentrism declines, and the children begin to enjoy the participation of another children in their game. So here the duty of the teacher and the parents is to regulate each child's relation with the other children's. And this is the beginning of the social rules also. The next feature is animism. This is the belief that inanimate objects such as toys and teddy bears, they have human feelings and intentions. By animism, Piaget meant that for the pre-operational child, the world of nature is alive, conscious, and it has a purpose. So Piaget has identified 4 stages of animism. The first one is related to the age 4 to 4 or 5 years. The child believes that almost everything is alive and it has a purpose. During the second stage, that is related to 5 to 7 years, only objects that move, they have a purpose. In the next stage, 7 to 9 years, only objects that move spontaneously, they are thought to be alive. And in the last stage, that is 9 to 12 years, the child understands that only plants and animals, they are alive. Now we talk about the 2 substages of pre-operational stage. The first one is preconceptional period. This substage ranges from 2 to 4 years. And during this period, children often learn by imitation and play. So, copying others and playing. This will make them learn the things. The third point is children consider only their ideas as correct. They are correct, means they are egocentric. Next, in this stage, animism is in excess. That is, children take non-living objects as living objects. The fifth, children identify objects by their names in the early part of this stage. For example, they said, all men are Papa. Their thinking, their reasoning is quite illogical at this stage. The thinking is neither inductive nor deductive in nature. For example, for them, a cow is white and big. Hence, all white and big animals are cow. Their thinking is much imaginative now, and that is away from reality. The child sees the world only from his point of view. He thinks sun, moon, they are following him. Rain is for his happiness. Thus Piaget has termed it as an egocentric nature of the child. Second period is intuitive period. It ranges from 4 to 7 years. During this period, children learn language. Children form various concepts during this stage. They start thinking, making logics. So thinking and logic during this stage, they have no sequence. Up to 6 years of age, abstract concepts are also formed along with the concrete concepts. They learn more by cramming. In this period, the child is not self-centered now. He acquires knowledge by coming in contact with the others. So in this stage, he gradually learns the symbols also. Now they can acquire the ideas of others very quickly because they lack logic powers. At this stage, the child is unaware of cause and effect relationship. And due to mental immaturity, they can focus only one aspect of problem during problem solving, and this makes their decisions wrong. So in short, we can say that intelligence is demonstrated through the use of symbols in this stage. Secondly, non-logic thinking occurs. Language provides a good tool for thinking to children. The child is egocentric in the pre-operational stage. He begins to utter the words and he considers only his ideas are correct. And this stage refers to the preschoolers.
दिल गलती कर बैठा है, गलती कर बैठा